Let's play Emma's Way. It's me, Emma, from Let's Play Emma's Way. We got a surprise here for you guys today. I'm so excited to show you. And my good friend, Clover, here today. He's the best. He's my dog. And we got this truck from school, and I'm going to keep him for 5 days. And I thought it'd be fun to show you on my video and make cookie treats. Today is here. Let's get baking. 5 cups of flour. Teaspoon of cinnamon. Now let's mix it up. A tablespoon of parsley. Mix. Woof, woof.
Clifford likes that.
Oh, no eating yet. Half a cup of vegetable oil. Puppy treats for this ball. Coconut half of milk. I was gonna taste first. For a comment, I'm not gonna tell you. It's gonna be puppy treats. Let's mix, my dude. 2 eggs. 2 cups of eggs inside. 1 chopped up apple. Come in. Puka is gonna love this. That's the name of my dog, Puka. He's gonna love this puppy treat. Cause my mom didn't have enough almond treat to make on this birthday, so I'm making them. No. Spit out. You want to smell it? Here, smell it. Smell it. Okay, smell it. Not for you, little one. It's for you and Puka. Don't forget to preheat the oven 350 when you hear the ding ring, that'll be the thing. You can mix it hard because there's boiled egg in here. And if you eat a boiled egg, that'll be bad. You need to go to the doctor and get that boiled egg out of here. Put some parchment down so it will stay in place. Don't want to hear. We got wood to be nice and good for animals to eat when it's done. This time you read the thing so it keeps you warm and clean. Even you don't have to need any more flour. My dog just eats everything that was up on the floor. Because every time he's so hungry. That's just good water. That's cool. Whoa! I picked these heart-shaped cutters, and make sure you don't cut yourself because this part is soft. So don't make sure you don't cut yourself. Let's get it. Puka's gonna love it. Whoa. Hurry up. Wait for the oven 20 to 25 minutes. That'll be ready for my dog to eat. While we let this bigger than my bird feeders. What do we have? Woof. Okay, we have pine cone. Woof. And we have some bird feedings and some peanut butter the bun fishes get on it. I'm rolling the peanut butter on pink leaf. Because the birds wake it. Even some people wake up, I wake it. So the butter stick. It's a great candy, but it's not. I'm making bird feeds for the birds to eat because sometimes they don't have food to eat. Especially in the winter. Look at it. I just said to give to the bird feeders, not here, joke. Time in the bird said, "Oh, I want to eat you, little pumpkin mum. This one's still wet." So we took the away the wet. The glue will dry. I can't believe it! I just did cookies already. Here's my dog. And here are the cookies. And smell good. The dog's so curious. Okay, want a cookie? Think up on that seat. Here are the cookies. Big Puka. Mix it. But sometimes you need to get there to eat it. This table, he can't really eat, so he's sitting down there. I'll just make some more pieces. I could find he's really something dog. Appetizer? I don't know. This apple? This spice smells good. Maybe to drop it. I want to make this every day. These cookies. It's so fun to make for a dog. So make this every day on this birthday. We're gonna make this. 2 pieces. I hope you try this at home, this recipe. Thanks for helping us make so clever. Woof! Mama, okay. He loves these cookies. If you make this recipe, put a comment. Bake your way up. Bake. Bye.